In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom pictures artworks to your Steam profile. Whether you're showcasing digital art, game-themed designs, or polished screenshots, we'll walk through the exact process inside Steam so your work displays cleanly on your profile. Start by opening Steam on your computer. On the top navigation, click your profile menu and then choose View My Profile. This takes you to your personal page where all your showcases live. On the right side or beneath your avatar area, find and select artwork. This is the dedicated gallery Steam uses for static images and animated pieces like GIFs. Next, click Upload Artwork. If you're prompted to pick a type, choose the option that best matches what you're adding. You'll now see the upload form. Give your artwork a clear, descriptive title. Good titles help friends and visitors quickly understand what they're looking at, and they make your gallery easier to browse later. Under Select Your Artwork File, click Choose File and browse to the image on your computer. Common formats like PNG, JPEG, and GIF usually work well. For best results, export at a reasonable resolution so it looks crisp without being overly large. Very big files can take longer to upload. If you're using an animated GIF, keep the file size within Steam's limits so the animation plays smoothly. Use the description box to add helpful context. Mention the game that inspired the piece, the tools you used, or any special techniques. Clear descriptions are great for viewers and can answer common questions right on the page. Now, set the visibility. Public makes the artwork viewable to everyone on Steam. Friends only restricts it to your friends list, and private keeps it for your eyes only. Pick the level that fits why you're uploading. Before finishing, check the box certifying that you created the artwork or have the rights to upload it. This is important for respecting copyright and keeping your profile in good standing. Finally, click Save Artwork to My Profile. Steam will process your upload and place it in your artwork section. From there, you can return to your profile to see how it looks, edit the title or description, or change visibility at any time. If you organize your profile with showcases, you can feature your favorite pieces later, so they're front and center. That's it. Your custom picture is live. Thanks for watching and enjoy building a profile that truly reflects your style.